this is educational code for round 97. Okay, so this is the first problem. So this is the first problem of marketing scheme. So what is mean that you is a you is a manager in or a like marketer job in a shop. Okay, so you have to do what you have to do is you have to maximize the sale of the can food cat can. Okay, so what you will do is that how so like if there is a can like this is a pack of a like 1 2 3 4 5 6 cans. Okay, so if anyone needs 9, then it will take a pack of 3 1, then it will be like 9 minus 6, that is equal to 1. He will take one pack and remaining will be n minus 6 and remainder 6, that is equal to 3. Then he will take 3 one by one. Okay, it is given that if anybody wants x by a element, like uh, if this is remainder is 3, and if this is greater than or equal to a by 2, then he will take the whole pack. Okay, so a by 2 is will be 6 if it is greater than 6. Like if this is a pack and the number of element in this pack is a, if a mode like x mode is a is greater than a by 2, then he will take the whole pack. So this is given like we have given like the customer want from this range to this range, L to R. Okay, from all of these, so we have to take minimize what is the what we have to pack in a one can, like in one pack we have, how many can we have to pack, what is the value of a. Okay, so that our sale is maximized for all. Like if this if you see that if okay, like so what our idea is to maximize the remainder. Okay, so if remainder is maximized is greater than or equal to a by 2, then he will buy the whole pack. So we have to maximize the remainder. Like if is from x to y, our range is from x to y. Okay, so if this y, so how when will be the remainder is maximum, then we will take the pack will be y plus 1. Okay, okay, so the remainder for this element is y minus 1. Okay, and if y plus 1 is greater than or equal to x, then he will take he will if this condition is x y are with the following reason, then answer is okay, otherwise not. But we have don't consider x is equal to or 1 or y is equal to 1. Okay, but case may be equal x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1 for four different one is permissible. Okay, so this is our code. Like if 1 1, we will just check out the condition for 1, it will be not. Else if a is greater than b by 2, then answer is okay. So why it is b by 2, like we have from 150 to 170. Okay, or I will give a general case like it is 170. So what is the maximum, so up to where the value it can take. So 170 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, for the maximum remainder I will take this number of can. Okay, so 171 by 2 will be the answer 50 35 and then 85 85.5. Then x will be greater than 86 or equal to greater than 86. So if x is greater than or equal to 86, then answer is yes, otherwise no. So this is our the idea behind this. Hope you understand.